HIMS stock analysis and HIMS stock prediction. So in this brief short 1-minute video, what I will be breaking down is my exact play with this. Over the last freaking 5 years, I've documented 42,000 videos like no one else. And with HIMS, I mean, I just called it out to the dot here. I don't know if you saw this or not. 31st of March. Boom. Called it out. And since then, bro, this thing almost hit my... I mean, it's not even almost. Like, it's the 30 bucks my get inside the trade thing. So it's still positive. And just waiting for the second break to take place. And I'm in, you know. Lower time frame definitely could play around with this. But I'm just not willing to force no more trades here. Just trying to keep it simple. Now, if you want to learn how to make it 5-10k per month trading, just click the first link in the description and get my free emails, and I'll always continue to keep you updated. But randomly buying here, it's not going to be happening. Just trying, you know, trying to stay patient and follow my rules, because it's what I've tested all this time, and I'm going to be okay if I stick to it.